You know, I'm buying a t-shirt today to support the Student Emergency Fund. The Student Emergency Fund at Bowling Green State University has been so important over the last 253 days since when the Governor DeWine declared a state of emergency here in Ohio, and we had to move to remote learning in the spring. And then the summer we were online, and this fall obviously a hybrid approach. The Student Emergency Fund helps those students who have been very adversely impacted by this pandemic, certainly helping maybe help cover the rent or utilities or food, because perhaps the job they were counting on wasn't there for them.
With COVID, what we saw was just an increase in need, both from our domestic students but also our international students. And so my husband and I were really pleased to support the Student Emergency Fund financially. And then when I saw this promotion, I had to come over and get a t-shirt because part of the money is going to the Student Emergency Fund.
And through the fund, we've been able to use over $300,000 to support over 800 students. As a matter of fact, this fall alone, we've helped 140 students with the Student Emergency Fund.
So the importance of the Student Emergency Fund has made a real difference in a great number of students' lives. That's why I buy a t-shirt.
So I hope others come out today to Falcon Outfitters, buy a t-shirt. $5 of the t-shirt goes toward the Student Emergency Fund, and more importantly, you can expand your orange and brown wardrobe. Go Falcons, I Ziggy.